Okay, so let's figure out how to move files and copy and manage files within Live's browser. I'm going to go here. I'm going to take myself right to the desktop, and I'm just going to create a new folder. How I do that is by just right-clicking, saying Create Folder. While it's black, I'm just going to rename it. If I go to double-click to rename it, it jumps it up to the parent folder. Sometimes when you double-click something, you expect to rename it. How do I get out of that? Just hit the return key and you're back down there. Live is renamed this way, Command R or rename. I can move and copy folders and files. Take this folder, I'm going to Option drag it directly into my new folder. And you can see that there was a little dialog there. And now I have my folder copied. Okay, now you would expect to right-click this and see a copy menu and then right-click it down here and see a paste menu. There is, you can tell by this edit. Watch the edit. I'm just going to copy this. Command C. Go down to my folder down here. Command V. And you can see it working, and there it is. All right, so where is this? I can right-click this and say Show in Finder. And there it is. And then I'm going to move this to the trash, and then I'm going to go back up here, and the browser refreshes immediately. Cool. So what about managing things? Let's go up to this area here. Go to your library. Let's go to your lessons. Go to Sets, and right-click on this, and say Manage File. I get a little dialog there. And in 2 seconds, the file manager is going to come up. It'll just take up this whole space. And it basically gives me information based on these files. There are no missing files. I could view this file, and there's the files that are in that particular set. Okay, so let's go to a bigger project and see how we manage that from the browser. Down here in my audio drive, I have this folder. And I'm going to right click on this, and I'm going to say not manage file, but manage project, because this is a project folder. And I get that scan dialog that goes. It tells me everything I need to know about this. It's, 500 megs almost, and I can show all the files that are in this, which is cool. I can show the sets that are in it. Okay, so I can also, if I decided that some of these were really, really cool and worthy of being in my Ableton library, then I could take these files and export them to the library with this button here. Cancel. And then when we go to the library, we'll probably see the beginnings of what that was. So let's practice our efforts here and just delete these. Delete. Move to trash. Same, shift click, delete, move to trash. That's file management within the browser. Next, we're going to learn how to search and bookmark.